one thing I can promise, it's that sweating is healthy, and you will sweat today. So you'll also experience some wonderful music, and we have some people to thank for that. So this collaboration between the United Nations, Ecolant, and schools around the world has been orchestrated by Luis de la Cala of the Luis de la Cala Foundation. So thank you very much, Luis. This artistic and cultural partnership is something very powerful, where students are able, through their creativity, through an international language of music, to speak to students who they will probably never meet again. I'd like to introduce Dr. Michael Wiener from the United Nations, and he's been working at the United Nations as a human rights officer for the past 20 years. He focuses on the rights of religious minorities and interfaith dialogue, and he's been a visiting fellow at the University of Oxford since 2011. So Michael, let me pass over to you, and thank you all again for being here today. Merci beaucoup.
Also from my side, a warm welcome, and indeed it's a warm welcome. We are delighted to have so many children and so many adults, both here in Geneva, but actually also across the globe. And as we just heard, it's a way of also connecting people across 4 continents, so not only here in Switzerland, but we will also be connecting with pupils and musicians from Peru, from Senegal and India. And it has been also a fascinating journey, and again, thanks a lot to Dr. Luis de la Calle, who really is the mastermind, and together with Mark here, and also the other musical teachers and leaders across the globe. But just very briefly to tell you that over the last 3 months, it has been a fascinating journey from the very first day where storytelling was basically the initial exchange with the pupils, painting, expressing the stories in their own words, and then expressing it in different artistic means. So really, the result that you are going to listen and to watch today is really the wonderful product of creativity at this very early age, and it's really impressive, and it has been a fascinating journey together. It is linking arts, creativity, and character, and the kind of the overarching part is human rights education. And with that, I wanted to introduce you to Elisa Gozzotti, who is, for the last 10 years, has been working on human rights education and also on human rights activism. And Elisa is currently also the chair of the Civil Society Working Group on Human Rights Education, doing advocacy at the United Nations here in Geneva. Over to you.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you so much for coming here. I have a very short speech prepared. So first, I want to thank the children, because really looking at their energy, spontaneity, and open hearts have been really inspiring and a reminder for why we do this work. I also want to thank everyone who made this possible, the parents, so you, who made this really allowing us for your children time, the teachers who brought this project to life, for your passion, patience, and creativity. With that, I want to introduce you my colleague Luis de la Calle. Dr. Luis de la Calle has been recognized as a cultural ambassador by the United Nations Alliance of Civilization in Geneva. For the past 13 years, he has been a member of the research team on didactics of arts and movements at the Faculty of Educational Science of the University of Geneva, where he earned a PhD in music. In addition, he also a recording solo artist with Sony Music. Thank you, over to you.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's really a pleasure and honor to have you. It has been with all the amazing teachers, and especially leading this wonderful teachers team, Mark Turcott, my colleague, that without him He was the conductor of all this project here at Colan, and I would like please give a clap. So, Art for Creativity and Character can use storytelling, lyric writing, painting, musical composition. At 7 years old, what you're going to listen, even also in those continents, are their own musical compositions. Without writing music, without reading music, they compose through singing improvisation. So are you ready now to listen and watch 4 continents?
It is always better. You can sing. Hi.